The BRICS mechanism plays a pivotal role in the promoting a multipolar world and the fostering inclusive economic globalization. By bringing together emerging economies, BRICS contribute to a more balanced distribution of the global influence and ensuring that developed nations have a strong voice in shaping global policies. Greater BRICS cooperation is crucial for strengthening the unity of the Global South and driving the reform of global governance. It creates a platform where the Global South countries can coordinate on key issues like the economy, security, technological innovation, and sustainable development. This approach fosters a more inclusive and equitable global system